In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your Wix website. This process is straightforward, and by following along, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Calendly scheduling into your Wix site, providing a smooth booking experience for your clients or visitors. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account as well as your Wix website editor. Once you're all set up and logged in, head over to your Calendly dashboard. You'll want to find the specific meeting event you'd like to feature on your Wix site. On the right-hand side of this event, you'll notice a set of horizontal dots. Click on these and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option to Add to Website. This step allows you to access the tools needed to incorporate your event seamlessly into your Wix page. After clicking Add to Website, you'll see multiple options for embedding your event. For this tutorial, we'll go with the Inline Embed option. This choice will let the widget appear directly on your page, providing a seamless user interface for your visitors. Once you have chosen Inline Embed, continue forward with the process, and you'll reach an option to copy the code. Click on Copy Code, which will store the generated code to your clipboard, an essential bit for the next steps. Now that you have your code copied, it's time to head to your Wix website editor. Within your editor, look to the top left corner where you'll find a handy plus sign or a button labeled as Add Elements. Clicking here will bring up a variety of options for customization. Scroll down and select the HTML code option. This is where we'll embed the code you copied from Calendly. Decide where you want this scheduling feature to appear on your website. You have complete flexibility here, so place it where it makes the most sense for your site's layout and user experience. For our purposes today, let's go ahead and place it anywhere on the Wix editor page just to understand the process. Once you've made your decision, you'll be prompted to enter code. Simply paste the code you copied from Calendly into this section and click Update. At this point, your Calendly event should be visible on your Wix site. You might want to spend a bit of time resizing the widget to make sure it looks perfect. Adjusting the dimensions will ensure the embedded Calendly feature aligns seamlessly with the rest of your page, maintaining a cohesive design. And there you have it. That's how you add Calendly to your Wix website. Thank you for following along with today's guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.